Pongal is a dish served during festive periods for South Indians. It is well balanced with protein and carbohydrates. Since it's a festive season right now, let me make some Pongal. Let's place 30 grams of ghee in the mixing bowl. Cover with lid and heat 3 minutes 120 degrees Celsius at spoon mode. Now that the ghee is hot, let's add 20 grams of cashew nuts, 10 grams of sliced almonds, and 20 grams of raisins. Cover it and let's saute it 4 minutes 120 degrees at spoon mode. Wow, the nuts and the raisins are well sauteed. Let's transfer it to a smaller container. And then we shall be adding water. I'll be using the kettle mode to bring the water to a boil at 100 degrees. Saffron, which was soaked in a little bit of hot water, has been placed in the water, followed by mung beans and rice, which I had soaked, drained, washed and drained it. Now I'm placing it in the hot water. Give a good stir, and we are using the rice cooker mode to cook the rice and the beans. Right, so this is the texture I'm looking at. The rice is well cooked and the beans are also cooked. Now we're going to add 250 grams of milk, and jaggery, which is about 45 grams, and half a teaspoon of cardamom. Give a good stir, mix everything up very well, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. Aroma, reverse mode, speed 0.5. Now that it is done, let it rest in the mixing bowl for 15 minutes. Look at that. This is the right texture. Garnish with sauteed nuts and raisins, and it is ready to be served. Wishing everyone a lovely Navratri.